Sunburned lawn in December, sidewalk chalk still on the ground. Forecast talking about flurries, like it's the end of this town. Mama stocking up on candles, groceries packed to the roof. All this over a snowflake, guess we're living the proof. They're closing schools for rumor, buying milk like it's gold. I'm just staring at the driveway bare and bold. I'm waiting for the snow, oh, snowman jetting in the south. Shut the world down for a dusting, guess that's what we're about. Got the cocoa on the counter, got my boots by the door, but the sunshine on the shutters like 1,000 times before. I'm waiting for the snow, snow getting in the south. Neighbors posting up screenshots, radar stuck on pretend, talking big about an inch or two, like it's the world's gonna